Hello and welcome back. Today we are starting the second part of Allegro mixed media tutorial. As we mentioned previously, this painting is one part of our Allegro ballet triptych. We are working with a combination of pastel, acrylic, conte pencil and charcoal. Now we are going to use a brush to blend the dark tones we established in the previous session to create a smooth, even finish. Regarding our brushes, it's important to note that they come in many different shapes and sizes. Generally, brushes are categorized by whether they have synthetic, firmer bristles or natural, softer hair. For the skin, I recommended using brushes with natural hair. Synthetic brushes can be a bit too coarse and they won't give you the soft, delicate texture needed for skin. To begin, on the face, we will use charcoal powder. We use the powder and a brush to start building up the highlights. As you can see, I'm applying the charcoal powder to different areas on the hair and the face to define the volume and create depth with light and shadow. Now look at the hair. To achieve these highlights along with our charcoal powder and brush, we also need to use an eraser to lift areas and make them brighter. Now look at the face. I'm applying charcoal powder again. The types of erasers used here are kneaded erasers, electric erasers, pencil erasers, round and flat tipped erasers. As you can see, I am applying the charcoal powder again for different areas to define the volume and create depth with light and shadows. Now I use round eraser. I know that for those of you with a background in drawing, these points are likely familiar. However, I have also prepared a series of tutorial videos on my YouTube channel covering the features of the face and full hyperrealistic portrait drawing, both in the graphite and charcoal. For those students who are interested in learning this art from the basic in an academic way, you can refer to those lessons. Now we will continue by work. Now I use kneaded eraser for lightening. As you can see, the details of the work are quite clear, so it doesn't need much further explanation. Working on a portrait requires a great deal of patience, precision, and time. Dear students, if you have any questions while watching this video, please leave them in the comments below and I will answer all of them. Thank you for joining me.